Hello students, uh, in the semester number 2 cost accounting. In today's class I am going to discuss with you unit number 1, that is marginal costing. Marginal costing, in the marginal costing two words are there, one is marginal, another one is costing. So first of all, we all are aware of the term costing. So here costing is nothing but it is a method of ascertaining cost and cost per unit. That's about costing. Now let us understand what is marginal costing. So before understanding marginal costing, first marginal, in other words we can call it as additional. In other words we can call it as additional. So that means additional costing. So what is additional costing? For example, in a company 1000 units are manufactured. For that they are spending 10,000 rupees. Units how much? 1000 units. For this manufacturing they are spending rupees 10,000. This is the practical situation before you. For manufacturing 1000 units they are spending rupees 10,000. This is their cost. Now they are wishing to increase their production capacity, so they have decided to manufacture 1500 units. So for manufacturing 1500 units, is there any possibility that they need to spend 10,000 only? No. When they are increasing their production capacity, their cost will be increased. Let us take for example 15,000. For manufacturing 1500 units they have to spend 15,000 rupees. So from 1000 unit to 1500 units, when they shift their production capacity, they are spending rupees 5,000 extra. They are spending rupees 5,000 extra. Why they are spending 5,000 extra? Because they have increased their production. So for increasing this production they have spent additional amount of rupees 5,000, and this particular 5,000 is treated as marginal cost. I hope you are getting my point. This is the most important basic concept, that is marginal cost. So here marginal cost is nothing but additional cost which occurs due to increase in production. Right now their additional cost is rupees 5,000. So this 5,000 is called as marginal cost, and to ascertain marginal cost or additional cost, the technique we use, that particular technique is called as marginal costing. Very important. When we increase our production, cost will be increased. Such increased cost is called as marginal cost. To ascertain marginal cost, the technique used, that particular technique is called as marginal costing. Right. So after understanding the meaning of marginal costing, let us try to take some practical aspects. See, so in this situation they are manufacturing 1000 units. For that they are spending rupees 10,000. So cost per unit, present situation 10,000. For how many units? 1000 units. Cost per unit will be 10. This is the present situation. And now they are manufacturing 1500 units. So what will be our cost? So what is the procedure to calculate such cost? To understand that one, we have to understand two most important things, that is variable cost and fixed cost. So everything depends upon variable cost. Marginal costing entirely depending upon variable cost only. Variable cost and the concept of contribution. So contribution is nothing but sales minus variable cost. So everything depends on what is that? Contribution. To a certain contribution we need variable cost. So already in the previous semester I have discussed with you what is variable cost and what is fixed cost. So once again I will explain you. Variable cost is nothing but it is a cost which varies according to the quantum of production. According to the increase or decrease in the production, that cost also varies from one time to another time. So such cost is called as a variable cost. What are the examples of variable cost? That may be material, that may be labor, anything else. Okay, so material, for manufacturing 1000 units we need some sort of material. For manufacturing 1500 units we need more material, so cost will be increased. So according to the production capacity, the requirement of material increases or decreases. So this cost will be varying from one time to another time. Labor, if we are manufacturing less we need less labors, if we are manufacturing more we need more labor. That means it also vary. So such costs are called as a variable cost. Fixed cost, so here fixed cost is nothing but it is a cost which does not vary according to the quantity of production. If you are manufacturing 1000 units you need to spend same amount. If you are manufacturing 1500 units you need to spend same amount. So such cost is called as a fixed cost. For example, rent. For example, rent. If you are doing your business in a building, you need to pay rent. If you are manufacturing 1000 units or 1500 units, rent will be fixed. That should be given periodically. So rent is best example for fixed cost. Another one, let us take as a salary. If you have a manager, his salary will be fixed. Instead, whatever the production capacity you have, whether you are increasing your production or whether you are decreasing your production, you have to make his salary consistently. There will be no changes in salary. So such costs are called as a fixed cost. Such costs are called as fixed cost. So just I have repeated variable cost and fixed cost. Now I will come to main topic, that is marginal costing. That is marginal costing. Dear students, one more thing I would like to tell you. This particular video was about to give you introduction about marginal costing. In one particular class I will be sending 2 or 3 videos of 8 to 9 minutes or 10 minutes. So therefore I will conclude this video. After this video I will send another video, that is part 2. So you have to watch that.